Hey guys, what's going on today? Video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2017 GMC. The customer is complaining about a rumble noise at low speeds. It's got the 5.3 engine in it. Come to find out, looking at the service history of the vehicle, it's had a remanufactured transmission put in it about 10,000 miles ago. So we looked underneath, make sure there was no leaks, didn't see any signs of external leaks. Everything looked like it was installed correctly. Checked the fluid and it was dark, and we noticed black tint to it, which is clutch material. Kind of swiped it with my finger here, and you can see it's there's a lot of black clutch material in it. Went for a road test and to try to confirm what the customer was feeling or hearing, and we did confirm a rumble noise around 35 miles an hour. The noise is coming from the torque converter. It was a consistent shudder. We did a 4-mile road test or so. Got the vehicle in the shop and got the transmission tore down. Found that the front pump was scored up on it. You can see the scoring here in the photo. The scoring is felt with a fingernail. GM does have a service bulletin on it where light scoring is normal, but once this pump gets scored up, it's pretty much that's you have to replace the pump. You can see the metallic debris here built up on the magnet and the transmission pan. We got metal circulation through the filter of the transmission. You can see the metal here in the filter. Looking at the clutches, you can see metal embedded into the clutch fibers. There is light heat marks on the steels, but not horrible. Seen worse. Mainly just a slight embedding of the metal in the clutch fibers. You can see on the case side here the pump scored. Here you can see the case side of the transmission pump. Also some scoring is present. We get metal circulation through the valve body. You can see the dark fluid, clutch material through it. A lot of times it's clutch material and metal circulation gets in all these solenoids and screens, and it's very hard to clean out. Since this is a remanufactured unit, we're just going to recommend that the remanufactured company will send out a new unit to get this transmission replaced. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be posting more 6L80 issues. Just stay tuned. Keep checking back with the channel. Subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I put more videos up. Thanks a lot.